Okay, so we hit 100,000 subscribers on the channel. So big thank you to you guys for being here, supporting me along this journey of my life. I really, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate all of you. And I already opened this, so we're just gonna pretend that I didn't open it. So yeah, this is what YouTube sends you in the mail, and then you open it. It's a little dusty. Whoa, okay, yeah, we're not gonna drop it or break this, but yeah, this is what I have as my award for passing 100,000 subscribers, which is pretty cool. I've always dreamed of having one of these. I didn't really expect to have one of these for a really long time, so this is pretty awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna tell a little story while I unbox everything that you guys send me to my P.O Box for hitting 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Let's get into it, you know? All right, before I get hurt. So the plan is to open the small things first, and then as we progress throughout the video, as I tell the story, we're gonna open the bigger thing. All right, so we got some letters. I love letters. Letters are pretty old-fashioned, just a cool way of communicating. Nowadays, we just text all the time, so something tangible like a letter is really cool and sweet, so I appreciate everyone who sent me a letter. Thank you guys. I'm gonna open them. Okay, also, look at that stamp. That's so cool. I'm not sure if I'm gonna read all of them, but maybe like the gist or one or two nice things. This one is from Denver, Colorado. I love Colorado. Whoa, whoa. We're just gonna leave a giant mess on the floor. Oh, can't believe people actually wrote things. This is so cool. Max, hi, my name is Coda. I'm 13 and live in Colorado, but my whole family's from Vietnam. Awesome. I'm a huge fan of your videos. It's crazy inspiring to see someone so young to be so successful and have practically your own company at 16. It's crazy to see what most people think is an average teenager have so much talent for storytelling and videography. You have a way of being so chill and a way relatable when you document your own life and share it with us. And the skill and effort you put into filming and editing makes it 10 times better. The concept of Perspectopia is so interesting to me. It's unique and something new. Thank you for reading this. I'm a rather awkward person, but hoping this was good. And he wants an autograph picture, so of course I'll send him one. That's super sweet. Thank you, Coda. On to the next. This one is from Seattle, Washington. Whoa, okay, super nice letter. I'm gonna read this. And then a bunch of awesome stickers. Super nice letter from Weston. I really appreciate it, and thank you for the stickers. This one's from England. This is from Stella. Super sweet letter. Thank you, Stella. And she also left this note. Thank you so much. Ooh. This letter's from Isa. She's 15 years old and she lives in New Jersey, but she's 100% Dutch, but she doesn't live in the Netherlands anymore. Super nice letter. Thank you so much. Read first. Okay, so someone made a watercolor of Perspectopia. Whoa, this is so cool. You guys are super talented, creative people. Thank you, Quinn. This is from Vanessa Crompton from Florida. Thank you so much for the really sweet letter, Vanessa. Time to open some boxes and tell a little story about Perspectopia. Let's get into it. I guess technically this is the smallest package. This is from, yeah, we'll see. Okay. This is from Gilbert and Darren in France. Awesome. Never been much of a Gators fan, but I guess now I'm gonna have to rep. Wasn't really expecting this, so cool. Thank you guys. Whoa. Enjoy your gift, Max. Hope you can use these for your runs and track. From Alexis. Thank you, Alexis. Some nice pants. Thank you. Well as some underwear. Never thought I was gonna get underwear in a P.O box, but hey, awesome. Thank you so much, Alexis. I appreciate it. Okay, get to whip out the knife now. This one is from Adriana Reyes from California. Whoa, whoa. Oh my God. Okay, so it's already like completely like jam-packed. Hey Max, I'm Adriana from the Perspectopia Discord. I'm from California, love Mexican candy. Keep working hard, and thanks, Adriana. Thank you so much. Holy cow, she really went all out. So, we have Blue Lubu Mini, some, whatever this is. Like a lollipop, squeezy things, sort of seasoning. And then a little like fireball type thing, some Takis. Wow. Thank you so much, Adriana. So back in the day, before I had a lot of subscribers and people on my channel, I wanted to like have some sort of like community of people, something similar to like what the likes of Yes Theory has. I've always been fascinated by like how everyone can work together towards something good, and I really wanted to have something like that. And so I thought that like by having a YouTube channel, I could build some sort of community of people to do good in the world. That's kind of what I set out to do. And so as this whole YouTube journey has gotten crazier and crazier, I started to realize how international my audience was. And I think right now my audience is like only 30% American, which is absolutely just mind-blowing. There was a period of time where I was posting videos, I was getting a decent amount of views, but it felt like it was just me and them, and it didn't feel like a community of people was watching my videos, and that's something that I really wanted to have. And so I wanted to find a way to like bring everyone together. Follow my channel, you have a similar sort of mindset or idea about the world, or you're trying to have a perspective attitude on things, whatnot. Basically I came up with the concept of what I like to call Perspectopia, which is sort of like a world or dimension, city in our minds. Wherever you are in your life, you can be in Perspectopia in your mind, and you know that there's other people there seeking a kind of optimistic look on the world and things, whatever you need to get through your day, life. And so that kind of started out in the form of a clothing brand, as many of you have seen. And then I created a Discord chat, which is essentially like a giant group chat where people can talk. And the link for that will be in the description. We have, I think, 1,300 people in it from all around the world. And yeah, so there's different sections within the Discord is what it's called. And there's a section to talk about cultures, languages, school, politics, memes, jokes, essentially anything you want to discuss with people, you can do it there. And we're organizing things like game nights, movie nights where we can all watch it together, activities. We're trying to create a positive space for people to have fun and get to know each other. Oh. I already know this one is from Jerry. All right, we got a nice little Beanie Baby monkey called Wasabi, Monkas. And whoa, some ketchup Lay's chips. I'm surprised we don't have these in the United States. Jerry's from Canada, but let me know what the craziest Lay's flavored chip you have where you live is in the comments. Was that English? I don't know. Some all dressed chips, Ruffles. And then that was examined by the United States Customs and Borders Protections. Look at that. Dang, so Jerry, this, whoa, okay, there's a note on it. Sorry for the packaging, first time shipping. A lot of Canadian things. And so yeah, back to my story. When I was living in France, I definitely experienced loneliness and just feeling like I wasn't a part of like a group of people. It feels really good to be in a group. That's just the nature of our psychology as humans. And unfortunately, not everyone feels like they're part of something, and they have a group of people who understand them in the world, which is a big, I think, problem. And so this is a place for people to feel safe, to make new friends, which we've already seen. Like, I've made certainly a lot of new friends. I FaceTime a lot of the people in the chat. We hang out, we talk. There's voice channels, so you can talk to people with our voices as well. But yeah, people have met up in real life and become friends through the Discord chat, which is so cool. First of all, we have a giant thing of tea. Whoa. Ta-da. My favorite, maple syrup. Definitely gonna put this in my oats or on pancakes. Thank you. Coffee crisp minis. Classic. Dual language going on there. These look actually really good. And finally, some Tim Hortons coffee. And most of you, I guess none of you would probably know this, but when I was a kid, I spent a couple summers living in Montreal for a month. So Tim Hortons definitely brings back some memories. Thank you again, Jerry, for sending me all of that. Jerry is basically like one of the two admins of the chat. So he basically controls all the logistics of the Discord channel. Big shout out to him. He's a really fun, cool guy. Yeah, on to the next package. This is from Singapore. Oh my god. Wow. There's a lot of stuff in here. Alaska. It's like shrimp, I don't know. And this other one I think is crab flavored. I have never seen that before, so that's really cool. So this is basically like a snack that's supposed to make me obsessed. This is cool. Some chicken rice potato chips. This is interesting. I guess that's like chocolate milk. Active Go. That's cool. Okay, I think laksa, don't roast me, I think is the word for shrimp. Shrimp potato chips. 2 cups of ramen noodles. And this, which is in some nice bubble wrap. What is this? What? I guess it's like a jam butter thing that I put on my toast, I think. I don't know. I'll definitely be trying this out. Interesting, this is cool. Some curry paste, some more laksa paste. Looks interesting. Okay, so we have like these, some sort of card. Not exactly sure what this is and why it's in here. It's a flash pay. Interesting. Looks like a debit card type thing. And then some actual currency. $1 bill. Hi Max, got you some stuff from Singapore. Wish you all the best. Thanks, regards, Darren. Thank you so much, Darren. This is like literally so cool. And that kind of like segments into the next reason why I wanted to make this video is to kind of show where people are from and what the culture is like there. Showcase that we literally have people all over the world watching these videos. And I think that is just like one of the coolest things ever. The internet always just blows my mind. And I think it's just awesome to bring so many people from different cultures, backgrounds together into this sort of community that I like to call Perspectopia. Thank you again, Darren, that's how you pronounce your name. Sorry if I messed that up. To the next one. Sweet. A lot of the people who are sending me stuff are from the Discord. Again, the link is in the description if you want to join it. There's a mobile phone app that you can get, as well as like an application on your computer. And we basically have a lot of inside jokes. So this is Monkas. Hi Max, I'm Kenny. Hope you all enjoy this coffee and tea. Yeah, it's just a super fun community. Again, this is so cool. Okay, we have some tea. That's cool. Is it white coffee? Some more actually, wow. Some more white coffee. Extra rich, sweet. Milo. Chocolate milk, some Old Town milk tea. Here we have some classic, more white coffee. I've never heard of white coffee before. I didn't know that was actually a thing. I might do like a sequel to this video, trying everything that I opened here. Let me know if you want me to make that video. Some more. Is this white coffee? It's white coffee, oh my God. Extra rich. I have so much coffee now. Wow, this is awesome. More white coffee, this one's mocha. More white coffee from the Borneo rainforest. We have some white tea. No, I'm kidding. Some Saba tea. It's called Saba tea. And then some cereal, Cocoa Crunch, Honey Stars, and then some chocolate. Thank you so much, Kenny, for all of this. Again, thank you to everyone who sent something. Probably gonna make another version of this video once it adds up enough. So yeah, send something if you'd like. No pressure at all, it would be awesome. It's just gonna be like 50 pickles or something. Wow, okay. Oh my God, what am I gonna do with this? For all you runners out there, this could come in handy. If you want some, let me know. I'll probably try this in the video. It's just like a little frozen pop that I guess you can freeze and have and drink. Wow, they really just, if anyone wants pickle pops, let me know, I got a ton of them. Next Perspectopia drop, I'll put a pickle pop in everyone's order. Thank you, Bob's Pickles. Zest tea, if you want caffeinated tea, definitely recommend trying it out. So I've been drinking that for like the past 3 weeks. I was like, this stuff is amazing. So I reached out to them, I sent them an email, and they're like, yeah, we'd love to send you a bunch of tea. So they sent me a bunch of tea, and here it is. So I guess there's actual tea packets, and there's also like cans. No, this is not sponsored, but hey, it's a cool company. Maybe they'll sponsor me in the future, and I'll promote it even more. This is incredible. Thank you guys, seriously, for sending something in if you did. If you didn't send something, appreciate you just as much, because I'm not expecting you guys to spend money on me. But yeah, that's basically a mini story of why I wanted to open the P.O Box to make this video, to show all the different cultures. I guess food is a pretty like distinct cultural factor that's really easy to see and recognize since it's so different. Day 2 of like the coronavirus and being out of school for us. So if you need something to do during that time, you're bored, you don't know what to do with yourself, join the chat. It's super fun. All ages are allowed. We have rules to make sure it's a safe, fun place for everyone. But yeah, this video is a little different from what I normally do. I've just kind of been sitting down and talking, but thank you for bearing with me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed opening everything. So seriously, thank you guys. I really appreciate it. This is so cool, and I'll see you in Perspectopia.